You've found the girl of your dreams, but you two have to spend some time apart. Naturally, you may be worried that some of the sparks will fade once you don't see each other day to day. But don't worry. There are plenty of ways to make a girl miss you when you're not together. You just have to strike that perfect balance between letting her know you care about her and playing hard to get so she always wants you. If you want to know how to make a girl miss you, 1. Be unpredictable. Women love a man who keeps them on their toes. If you want to make her miss you, then you need to be unpredictable. This means not always being available to her, not always responding to her texts immediately, and not always agreeing to her plans. Make her wonder what you're up to and who else you're spending time with. This will pique her interest and make her miss you when you're not around. 2. Leave a lasting impression. Whenever you do spend time with her, make sure to leave a lasting impression. This means being in the moment, making her laugh, and showing her a good time. When she looks back on your time together, she should feel happy and excited. This will make her want to spend more time with you and miss you when you're not there. 3. Build a connection. If you want a woman to miss you, you need to build a strong connection with her. This means getting to know her on a deeper level and sharing your thoughts and feelings with her. The more you connect with her, the more she will feel like she knows you, and the more she will miss you when you're not around. 4. Have your own life. One mistake that men often make is becoming too dependent on a woman for their happiness. This can be a major turnoff and can make a woman lose interest quickly. Instead, have your own life and pursue your own interests. Show her that you have a lot going on in your life and that you're not just waiting around for her. This will make her appreciate your time together even more and make her miss you when you're not there. 5. Use social media to your advantage. Social media can be a powerful tool when it comes to making someone miss you. Post interesting and exciting things on your social media that will catch her attention. Don't overdo it or post too much about her, but let her see that you're living your best life and having fun without her. This will make her curious about what you're up to and make her miss being a part of your life. 6. Give her space. As much as you want her to miss you, it's important to give her space. Don't bombard her with constant texts and calls or try to see her every day. This will only push her away and make her not want to spend time with you at all. Instead, give her the space she needs and let her come to you. This will make her appreciate your time together more and make her miss you when you're not around. 7. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to making a woman miss you. Women are attracted to men who are confident and sure of themselves, so don't be afraid to show your confidence and let her see that you're comfortable in your own skin. This will make her admire you and make her want to be around you more. 8. Keep yourself busy. In addition to having your own life, it's important to keep yourself busy. Pursue your hobbies, hang out with friends, and focus on your career. When a woman sees that you have a lot going on in your life, she will naturally want to be a part of it. This will make her miss you when you're not there and make her want to be a bigger part of your life. 9. Be patient. Making a woman miss you takes time and patience. Don't expect her to miss you overnight or after just one date. Give her time to get to know you and develop feelings for you, and if she's not interested in you right now, don't force it. Be patient and let her come to you. It will be worth it in the end when she's missing you and can't wait to see you again.